everybody, I have another story today that's a beautiful springtime story, and it's about planting and growing, and it has seeds in it, just like our story that we read the other day where Fran grew a flower. This book we have today is called 5 Tough and Tiny Seeds. Look at our front, we can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seeds in this story. And in this story, we're going to see lots of different things. We're going to see some rhyming words in this story, and we're also going to see some subtraction in this story. If you remember, subtraction is where you have a big number and you take some away and you're left with a smaller number. So if I have 5, take away 1, I have 4. So we'll see subtraction in this story, and in this story, we have some repeating words that I want you to help me with. Every time we see this, we see how the words are kind of going whoosh. It repeats 2 times. It says whoosh, whoosh. Do you think you can help me with that? Every time we see this, we're going to say whoosh, whoosh. Okay? That's the wind blowing. It was very windy today. This is called 5 Tough and Tiny Seeds. I love this book because it kind of sounds like a song. All right, here we go. We're going to say 5 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Now here are the words you can help me with. Say whoosh, whoosh. Look, what happened to the red seed? Oh my goodness, she flew off of that reed. One landed on the ground, sniffed by a happy hound. Ooh, that was a different word. That's not what I was expecting. I saw this and I thought dog. But does dog rhyme with ground? No, they call the dog a hound, so it rhymes. Hound, ground. Hound, ground. They rhyme the end the same. Then there were 4 tough and tiny seeds. 4 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. Did you help me? One landed near a lake beside a wriggly snake. Oh, but look, he looks pretty tough too. I bet he's not afraid of that snake. Then there were 3 tough, tiny seeds. 3 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. One landed near a tree, buzzed by a bumblebee. Then there were 2 tough, tiny seeds. 2 tough and tiny seeds sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. One landed by a road next to a slimy toad. Did you think of toad? I thought frog. But listen, road, toad. Road, toad. They rhyme. They end the same. Frog would not rhyme. Frog would actually rhyme with the other tricky word that was in our story. Dog. Frog, dog. But we don't call them that. We have hound and toad. This is a tricky book. Then there was 1 tough and tiny seed. 1 tough and tiny seed sat on a slender reed, waiting for springtime winds to blow. Whoosh, whoosh. It landed on a rock close to a watchful hawk. Then there were no tough, tiny seeds. Look, they are all gone. They all blew away. What do you think will happen to them next? Let's see. 5 tough and tiny seeds blown from a slender reed. Raindrops are falling from the sky. Drip, drop. With bright and warmer days, now comes the month of May. Now it is time for the seeds to grow. Oh my goodness, they have everything they need. They have the wind going whoosh, whoosh. They have the rain going drip, drop, and they have the sun shining. Just as the sun comes out, 5 seeds begin to sprout. What will they all turn out to be? Oh my goodness, look at all the different seeds and where they landed. They are all different seeds. They're going to grow into different types of plants. Growing taller by the hour, each one a different flower. That's what became 5 tough and tiny seeds. Look at that one. This one, which was this little skinny one with the fuzzy on the end, became a dandelion. This one was the red one. It became a rose flower. This big guy here became a sunflower up on that mountain. We have this guy that looks super angry. He became a wild carrot. And this skinny little pink flower is a cosmos, and it grows from this seed. The end. So in our story, we saw some subtraction. We started out with 5 seeds sitting on a reed. I didn't have any reeds, so I used a stick. But look at that. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I have 5 seeds and whoosh, whoosh, the wind blows and one flies away, how many are left? I had 5 and I took away 1. Now I have 4 seeds. 1, 2, 3, 4 seeds. If I have 4 seeds and whoosh, whoosh, the wind comes and one flies away, how many seeds are left? I had 4 and I took away 1. I have 3 seeds. 1, 2, 3 tough and tiny seeds. Now whoosh, whoosh, the wind blows. One away. How many are left? I had 3 and the wind blew 1 away. Now I have 2 tough and tiny seeds. Now, if the wind comes and goes whoosh, whoosh, and one flies away, how many seeds are left? I had 2 and I took away 1. Now I have just 1 seed. 1 seed on a reed. Whoosh, whoosh. It flies away. How many seeds are left? I had 1 seed and I took away 1. Now I have 0. No more seeds are left on the reed. Thanks for coming and reading with me, and we did some math and some literacy today, and you helped me tell the story. Great job, my friends. I'll see you later.